Introducing the all-new Chicken Trump Taco. Only at Maro Lago Taco, where we serve bold flavor, not bold policy. Stuffed with flip-flop chicken, guilt-free inflation sauce, and a sprinkle of broken promises. This taco's got less backbone than a trade war tweet. They said I'd be tough on China. I said, how spicy is the taco? The only thing this chicken taco dodges harder than tariffs is accountability. The Chicken Trump Taco, cowardly, never tasted so crispy. Now with 0% integrity and 100% cluck.